Viruses are non-living things which use their spikes to enter a living cell.
Mm-hmm.
The worst coronavirus is COVID-19 or coronavirus,
Mm-hmm.
also known as CON-902.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's a nickname for it. Many structures can get coronavirus, even humans.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna add an ellipses. Then a virus, which is a non-living thing, can also be a diamond shape.
Mm-hmm.
And then the virus is eaten by a fungus. The fungus uses viruses and planktons to survive.
Okay.
Let's talk about the ocean and fungi.
Mm-hmm.
Some fungi live in the deepest part of the ocean, called the midnight zone.
Mm-hmm.
In the midnight zone, there's an anglerfish. There's blue whales and mushrooms. Some jellyfish live there.
Oh.
In the midnight zone, most animals are bioluminescent, which means they use the light to attract prey.
Oh.
Then the algae it gets eaten by algae eaters, which is a type of fish.
Mm-hmm.
Then the algae eater is eaten by a bigger fish, and bigger fish are eaten by birds.
Mm-hmm.
When bigger fish gets endangered, it causes a lot of problem.
Mm-hmm.
When there's no more algae, it makes a hard time for the algae to get food, and they begin to die. And when the algae dies, it causes the fish to die. When birds depend on the fish to survive, they die too.
Oh.
That's causing a lot of problem because of humans.
Mm-hmm.
And the food chain shows how one living thing gets eaten by another living thing.
Oh.
And like the food chain,
Mm-hmm.
the food chain is the sun. It starts with the sun and plants. The sun gives energy to the plankton. The plankton is eaten by a fish. The fish is eaten by a bigger fish, and the bigger fish is eaten by a bird. Let's talk about in the land. The sun gives energy to the plant. The plant is eaten by a snail. Snails are eaten by small fish. Small fish is eaten by big fish. Big fish is eaten by birds. Birds are eaten by humans.
Mm-hmm.
Let's talk about another food chain.
Wanna stop?
I don't want to stop.
It's very hard to load it. No long videos.